your boy Lanehawk. Right now we finna head to O'Reilly's or one of these auto stores. I gotta get some paint for this splitter I got. Then we're gonna do a little install on the splitter. And shit, we're gonna see the install, but I'm gonna do a little POV. Let y'all see what's up. This is, bro, that whole growling. Oh shit. Damn. Alright, I see that. He probably like, what the fuck? What you gotta say, bro? What you gotta say to the camera?
Shit, it's too high on this, man. Shit, we're finna go do that shit. Get that shit, flip that shit, remix that shit.
Yeah, what he said, we should gonna get that, flip that, remix that. Jay. Jacob thing. He trying to race me and shit.
Hey, we don't need to put that bitch everything on the camera though. We beat the Jakes if we race them.
Yeah, so Jakes, you gotta be on some other shit. You can't really accelerate too much so they gotta turn like cars. Bro, what's the name of the man?
Boys be on bull. Why this whole 0.5, cuz?
I wanted them to see everything. I have to sand this splitter down before I paint it with yellow.
Like what material that
Like
plastic or something?
like a plastic.
What y'all think? Y'all think we gotta sand it? Y'all think?
I can buy a little sand sponge and hit it with some sand before I'll probably do that. So the paint will stay better, yeah, like adhere to it a little bit.
Adhere?
Yeah, use a big word. Adhere.
He using like adjectives and nouns right now, cuz those.
Show them the city. Show them this side.
Show them this side. Right with the traffic and all that shit.
Yeah. Don't come to Houston.
Nah, don't come to Houston. Stay out of here. This shit is not no tourist city. Like it ain't shit to do around here. So y'all, unless y'all wanna go work at the UPS over there.
Yeah, I can work at UPS, get a little
Y'all wanna
over there.
yeah, deliver some packages and shit. Besides that, don't come here, please. We're fucking back, guys. With the fucking Lanehawk. You see that motherfucker right there? Y'all want some shades? Or a window marker? Shit, you looking for that sand in the paint? Call that, bro. Put it on 0.5. What y'all? We acting like they gonna be able to like tell us it automatically and shit. Where's the sand and shit? Here go the sand and shit. Sand and sponge.
We need like a little sponge.
What they're talking about in here? Hey, bro. Hey, shut up. Hey, y'all. Tell this man. Or, man, I don't hear you. Why that came out of my vernacular. Tell this boy to shut up. The fuck? Oh, look at the spray can with the different settings on that bitch.
It's not even color though.
I didn't ask. I just noticed. You know what I'm saying? I ain't ask you shit. Dumbass squirrel. Don't even know how to read for real.
Hey.
Hey guys, we'll just have a moment of silence. They got flame-proof shit. That's engine shit.
This is like some crazy engine.
So why the fuck would you pick it up if you're not putting shit on the engine? Bro, this nigga is stupid. Well, it don't matter if... Chat. Get them. Yes, it's paint. What the fuck do you mean? Chat. Somebody check into his files right quick. See if he had the fucking brain file on it.
Bro, this is not paint. But fuck it, we don't get it.
Bro. He say fuck it, we gonna get it.
You got it at 0.5? It's at 0.5 or regular? That?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He asked, was that paint? Is that really paint?
Like, yeah, it's like spray paint.
Yeah. Well, it's an enamel paint, but that just means it's
Just for coating.
Yeah, exactly. It's not like fucking house paint.
Yes, man. It's not a house.
You just can't spray it on dry. I wouldn't spray it on drywall. That's all I'm saying.
No, I ain't
Right?
It's good.
It's not a household paint. This is a
Chat. What y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all think this shit is good?
Splitter. It's gonna look good though. The yellow in the middle.
The track is gonna look different, y'all.
Good, the yellow.
This the before. This the before. That Lanehawk.
Alright, so man, we back. We got you see the splitter. Finna bust these screws out. Take the screws out. Get the splitter ready, sand it down, and then we gonna get to painting.
Boys sanding the splitter.
Yeah, sir. Get a little sand job going on.
Right, trying to say, man. So we're gonna get a little sand job going. Just so we can still get the paint. I wonder, like, this how it's supposed to be done. Sure. You think so? Sure, if not, sure. Then we just fuck it. We just fuck it up. Nah. We either have to rest it or some shit. I don't know. So what you got? I don't know. Definitely. A quick sand, a quick 30-second sand. Sure. Nah, sure. That's great.
Boys finna get yellow dello.
Is it raining, bro? Is it raining, bro? Is it raining, bro? Like, why the fuck you bring a knife?
Nah, nigga.
Oh my god, it's a little bug got it.
Damn. See, that's how they be doing this in the shop.
Anyway, you want to take everything off. Like a leaf or something. I ain't worried about it. That's a splitter, bro. There's a bug on a splitter for the decoration.
So, started fucking raining, bro. So we brought the splitter right here. I know it's a lot of shit over here, but here goes the splitter.
Shit, I ain't never gonna start.
Fuck no. Oh, nigga. That's a bad number, Jim. Cut it right. I cut it. Oh, man. I'm trying to see.
Get with the get down.
We're gonna get these last little screws on here.
Finna say, hell you mean?
Oh, look at my hand.
Damn, what the fuck you do? Bro, what's the fucky, man?
On the side.
Tracker in the backer in.
Here go the finishing touches. I ain't gonna lie. It's clearly leaning, but hey, man. Fuck it. We did what we could, man. I'll probably put a screw like right there to try to like make that piece stick up at least too. I don't know. I'm gonna do something. Let me see if I can make something work.